Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Gururam channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you.
Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 2.5 sums. First one, check whether the following sequences are in AP. First one, a minus 3, a minus 5. So T1 equal to a minus 3, T2 equal to a minus 5 and T3 equal to a minus 7. We have to prove T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. If it is there, that sequence is in AP. Clear? Okay. D equal to first T2 minus T1. T2 a minus 5 minus of a minus 3. That is a minus 5 minus, removing the bracket, you write the additive inverse. So minus a plus 3. So a minus a will get cancelled. Minus 5 plus 3 equal to minus 2. So D equal to minus 2. Next, T3 minus T2. That also a minus 7 minus bracket of a minus 5. So remove the brackets, a minus 7 minus a plus 5. That is a minus a will cancel. A minus 7 plus 5 equal to minus 2. So here minus 2 equal to minus 2. Therefore it is in AP. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Again D equal to T2 minus T1. That is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Take LCM 3 and 2. That is 6. 6 in 3 2 times 2 ones are 2. 6 into 3 times 1 3 is 3. 2 minus 3. That is minus 1 by 6. Next D equal to T3 minus T2. That is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Take LCM 12. 12 in 4 3 times 1 3 is 3. 12 in 3 4 times 1 4 is 4. Here minus 1 by 12. That is minus 1 by 6 is not equal to minus 1 by 12. That is, it is not an AP. 9, 13, 17, 21, 25. Here D equal to T2 minus T1. That is second term minus first term. That is 13 minus 9 equal to 4. D equal to T3 minus T2. 17 minus 13 equal to 4. Here both are equal here. So it is an AP. Next question, minus 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. D equal to second term minus first term. 0 minus of minus 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. Minus into minus plus 1 by 3. And next D equal to T3 minus T2. Third term minus second term. That is 1 by 3 minus 0 also 1 by 3. Therefore 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. Therefore it is an AP. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1, minus 1. D equal to T2 minus T1. That is minus 1 second term minus first term. 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Next D equal to T3 minus T2. Third term minus second term. That is 1 minus of minus 1. So we make it 1 plus additive inverse of minus 1 plus 1. That is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Therefore minus 2 is not equal to 2. Therefore it is not an AP. First term A, common difference D. Given below, find the corresponding AP. So, A equal to 5, D equal to 6 given. So, AP means what sequence? That is A, A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. A means first term, second term A plus D, so 5 plus 6. Third term A plus 2D, so 5 plus 2 into 6. That is 5, 11, 17. That is corresponding AP. Next A equal to 7, D equal to minus 5. AP, A plus D, A plus 2D. 7, 7 plus minus 5, 7 plus 2 into minus 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 into minus 5, minus 10. Minus 10 plus 7, minus 3. Therefore, the corresponding APs are 7, 2, minus 3, etc. A equal to 3 by 4, D equal to 1 by 2. AP equal to A, A plus D, A plus 2D terms. So 3 by 4, comma 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2, comma 3 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 2. First 3 by 4, 4 and 2 LCM, that is 4. 4 in 4 one time, 1 3 is 3. 4 in 2, that is in 4, how many 2s? 2 2s are 4. 2 into 1, 2. So 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 4. Next here you cancel it 2 and 2, numerator and denominator. So 3 by 4 plus 1 only. 1 means 1 by 1. You take LCM 4. 4 in 4 1 times, that is 1 3 is 3, plus 4 in 1 4 times, that is 1 4 is 4. 3 plus 4 7. Therefore the APs are 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 7 by 4, etc. Find the first term and common difference of the arithmetic progression whose nth terms are given below. So the nth term of Tn equal to minus 3 plus 2n. So Tn equal to minus 3 plus 2n. So if we substitute 1, T1 equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 1. N value you substitute. So you get it minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. T2 equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 2, that is minus 3 plus 4 1. Therefore the first term A is minus 1. Next D, common difference, D equal to T2 minus T1, that is 1 minus of minus 1. So 1 plus minus 1 additive inverse is plus 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Therefore A equal to minus 1 and D equal to 2. Next sum. Tn equal to 4 minus 7n. You substitute the value for n equal to 1. You get it T1 equal to 4 minus 7 into 1. 4 minus 7 equal to minus 3. T2 equal to 4 minus 7 into 2. That is 4 minus 14 equal to minus 10. Therefore the first term A is minus 3. Common difference D equal to T2 minus T1, that is minus 10 minus of minus 3, that is minus 10 plus minus 3 additive inverse is plus 3. Therefore minus 10 plus 3 equal to minus 7. Find the 19th term of an AP minus 11, minus 15, minus 19. So given your sum, you write it AP equal to minus 11, minus 15, minus 19, etc. Here A equal to minus 11. D equal to T2 minus T1, that is minus 5 minus of minus 11, that is minus 15. You make it minus plus, and minus 11 additive inverse is plus 11. Therefore minus 15 plus 11 equal to minus 4. And n equal to 19. So here Tn equal to what formula? A plus n minus 1 into T. A is minus 11, n is 19, D is minus 4. You substitute the values. So you get it minus 11 plus 19 minus 1, 18 into minus 4. Minus 11, 18 into minus 4, minus 72. Therefore the minus 83. T19 is equal to minus 83. Which term of an AP 16, 11, 6, 1, etc. is minus 54? So first term A given 16. Common difference we have to find out D equal to T2 minus T1. That is second term minus first term. 11 minus 16 equal to minus 5. So Tn equal to minus 54. We will find that n. So formula is A plus n minus 1 into D equal to minus 54. 16, substitute A and D. 16 plus n minus 1 into minus 5 equal to minus 54. 16 n into minus 5 minus 5n minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5 equal to minus 54. 16 plus 5, 21 minus 5n equal to minus 54. Minus 5, grouping like term. So minus 5n equal to minus 54. That plus 21 in LHS side goes to the right hand, minus 21. Therefore minus 5n equal to minus 54 minus 21. minus 5n equal to minus 75, minus minus cancel, n equal to 75 by 5, cancel it in 5, we get it 15. Therefore, the 15th term is minus 54. Middle term of an AP 9, 15, 21, 27, etc. 183. AP equal to given terms, you write it. Number of terms in AP is n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. L is last term, A is first term, D is common difference. D is, that is T2 minus T1 equal to 15 minus 9 equal to 6. Therefore, n equal to L 183 minus 9 by 6 plus 1. That is 174 by 6. Cancel it in numerator and denominator by 6. You get it 29 plus 1 equal to 30. Therefore, number of terms equal to 30. The middle must be 15th term and 16th term. Therefore, the T15 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 9, 15 minus 1, 14 into 6. That is 9 plus 84 equal to 93. T16 equal to A plus 16 minus 1, 15D. That is 9 plus 15 into 6. 9 plus 90 equal to 99. Therefore, the middle terms are 93 and 99. 9 times 9th term is equal to the 15 times 15th term. Show that 6 times 24th term is 0. Therefore, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here given condition 9 times 9th term is equal to 15 times 15th term. That is 9T9 equal to 15T15. 9 into A plus n minus 1 into D, like that A plus 8D equal to 15 into A plus 14D. Therefore, you multiply 9 into A, 9A plus 9 into 8, 72D equal to 15 into A, 15A plus 15 into 14, 210D. Grouping like terms, left side you make it 9A minus 15A plus 72D minus 210D equal to 0. Simplify minus 6A minus 138D equal to 0. Make it sign plus 6A plus 138D equal to 0. 6 into common, you take it A plus 23D. That is A plus 24 minus 1 into D. That is 6 into T24 equal to 0. Therefore, we proved. Proved 6 times 24th term is 0. 3 plus k, 18 minus k, 5k plus 1 are in AP, then find k. Before going to the sum, we have to know that conditions for AP. So, if A, B, C are in AP, then B equal to here A plus D, C equal to A plus 2D. Therefore, A plus C is what? C value you substitute A plus 2D, you get it 2A plus 2D. So, you take it common 2 into A plus D. A plus D is what? B. Therefore, 2B. So, we can write it as 2B equal to A plus C. So, we apply it in this sum. So, 2B equal to A plus C. If A, B, C are in AP. So, 3 times you write it. 2B equal to A plus C. 2 into second term 18 minus K. A is first term 3 plus K plus C is third term 5K plus 1. Multiply 2 into 18 36 minus 2K. Grouping like term. So, 3 plus 1 4. K plus 5K 6K. Grouping like term also 6K plus 2K equal to 36 minus 4. Make it left to right, right to left. So, 6 plus 2, 8K. 36 minus 4 equal to 32. Therefore, K equal to 32 by 8 equal to 4. K value is 4. X, Y and Z, given that the numbers X, 10, Y, 24, Z are in A. First, we have to find out common difference at D, T2 minus T1, that is 10 minus X, T3 minus T2, that is Y minus 10. So, T4 minus T3, 24 minus Y. T5 minus T4, that is Z minus 24. So, from 2 and 3 equation, we get it Y minus 10 equal to 24 minus 5. Grouping like term, Y minus Y right hand side, it will come to the left hand side means plus. Therefore, 2Y equal to 24, that minus 10 will go to the right hand side plus. Therefore, 24 plus 10, 2y equal to 34 means y equal to 70. Next, from 1 and 2 x equation, that is 10 minus x equal to y minus 10. So minus x and minus y left hand side equal to minus 10 plus 10 goes to the right hand side minus 10. Therefore minus x minus y equal to minus 20. Make it plus all terms, so x plus y equal to 20. What is y value? 17. So you substitute the value x plus 17 equal to 20 means x equal to 20 minus 17 equal to 3. So we have to find out z. Z minus 24 equal to 10 minus x means x value you substitute 3. So z minus 24 equal to 10 minus 3, z minus 24 equal to 7, z equal to 7 plus 24, therefore z equal to 31. Therefore x equal to 3, y equal to 17 and z equal to 31. In a theatre, there are 20 seats in the front row and 30 rows were allotted. Each successive row contains 2 additional seats than its front row. How many seats are there in the last row? So first row T1 equal to A equal to 20. Okay, 2 additional seats means in first row, that is T2. T2 equal to A plus 2 equal to 22. Okay, next T3 equal to A plus 2 plus 2, that is 24. That is D equal to T2 minus T1, 2. There are how many? 30 rows. So T30 equal to A plus 2090. What is A? 20. What is D? 2. Substitute the value. 20 plus 29 into 2. That is 20 plus 58 equal to 78. There will be 78 seats in the last row. Clear? The sum of 3 consecutive terms that are in AP is 27 and their product is 288. Find the 3 terms. So we take it, let the 3 consecutive terms be A minus D, A and A plus D. First we find the sum, A minus D plus A plus A plus D. Minus D plus D cancel, therefore 3A equal to 27, A equal to 9. Next product, A minus D into A plus D equal to 288. A minus D into A plus D is the formula, A squared minus D squared. Therefore, A into A squared minus D squared equal to 288. Substitute the value for A, 9 into 81 minus D squared equal to 288. Left hand side 9 will come to the right hand side, it will come divide. 288 by 9 equal to 32. Therefore, minus D squared equal to 32 minus 91. Therefore, D squared equal to 81 minus 32, that is D squared equal to 49. D equal to 7. So we will find the 3 term. So when A equal to 9, D equal to 7 means A plus D 16 and A is 9. A minus D is 9 minus 7 equal to 2. Next, when A equal to 9 and D equal to minus 7, because D squared equal to 49, square root it will come plus 7 and minus 7. So plus 7 means we get it the value 16, 9 and 2. If it is minus 9, minus 7, A plus D equal to 9 minus 7 equal to 2, A equal to 9 and A minus D equal to 9 minus of minus 7, that is 16. Therefore, the 3 terms are 2, 9, 16 or 16, 9, 2. Ratio of 6th and 8th term of an AP is 7:9. Find the ratio of 9th term to 13th. That is T6 by T8 equal to given 7 by 9. T6 means what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So we write it A plus 5D by A plus 7D equal to 7 by 9. Cross multiply 9A plus 45D equal to 7A plus 49D. So 9A plus 45D minus 7A, make it into left hand side. So minus 7A minus 49D equal to 0. Therefore, grouping like term 9A minus 7A, 2A plus 45D minus 49D minus 4D equal to 0. 2A equal to 4D, A equal to 4 by 2, 2D. Substitute A equal to 2D in, we have to find out ratio 9th term and 13th term. Therefore, T9 by T13. T9 means A plus 8D, T13 means A plus 12D. So substitute the value for A equal to 2D plus 8D by 2D plus 12D. That is 10D by 14D, cancel it to DD and we get it 10 by 14. Again you cancel it by 2, 5 by 7. Therefore the ratio is 5:7. Winter season, let us take the temperature of OT from Monday to Friday to be in April. The sum of temperatures from Monday to Wednesday is 0 degrees Celsius and the sum of the temperatures from Wednesday to Friday is 18 degrees Celsius. Find the temperature on each of the 5 days. So first we take it, let the 5 days temperature A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. First the 3 days sum, that is A minus D plus A plus D equal to 0, minus D plus D cancel, 3A equal to 0, A equal to 0. Again 3 days, 3 sum, A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D, grouping like term, we get it 3A plus 6D equal to 18. 3 substitute the value for A equal to 0, 3 into 0 plus 6D equal to 18, therefore 6D equal to 18 means D equal to 3. Therefore the temperature is minus 3 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, 3 degrees Celsius, 6 degrees Celsius and 9 degrees Celsius. I earned rupees 15,000 in the first month. Thereafter, her salary increased by 1,500 per year. Her expenses 13,000 during the first year and the expenses increased by rupees 900 per year. How long will it take for her to save rupees 20,000 per month? So, we put the table first, yearly salary, yearly expenses. Salary minus expenses equal to savings. First year salary 15,000, expenses 13,000 minus, we get it 2,000 savings. Second year 1,500 salary increases, so we get it 16,500. Expenses 900, so 13,900. 16,500 minus 13,900 is 2,600. So next third year plus 1,500 means 18,000 plus 900 means 14,800. Salary minus expenses 3,200 is the savings. So we get it A1 equal to 2,000, D equal to 600. 2,600 minus 2,000, we get it D equal to 600. So we will find AN equal to 20,000. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is 20,000 AN equal to, first A is 2,000 plus N minus 1 into 600. Therefore, N minus 1 into 600, 20,000 minus 2,000, 18,000. Therefore, N minus 1 equal to 18,000 by 600 equal to 30. Therefore, N equal to 30 plus 1, 31 years. We will see next exercise, next class students. Thank you.